There's a space observatory, big telescopes and all that wonderful stuff. I don't really understand in Hawaii. And this is one of the observatories that looks for incoming asteroids, PHAs, potentially hazardous asteroids. That is the biggest euphemism ever. PHA means could kill all of us instantly. Now, a PHA can be as small as 300 feet. A 300-foot asteroid hitting Earth would take out at least half a continent, probably an entire continent, and would set humanity back by about a decade. The problem is, and this actually scared the life out of me, they can only detect them at 600 feet and above. Like, okay, so you can only find things 600 feet and above, and really you should be looking for 400 feet and above, and you can only stand 0.001%. So what is your chance of actually finding these things in any meaningful period? And how much are you spending on it? Exactly, I have zero chance, and we're spending billions of dollars. And the reason they spend billions of dollars is because they decided to run an AI on the data coming in, and the AI could spot down to 350 feet, and it only requires 2 images instead of 20 in order to be able to do that, which means that it is getting through space 12 times quicker with 200-foot more of accuracy. And guess what? On the very first day, they found one that's going to pass between the Earth and the Moon, which is bad. So you don't particularly need to worry, but your grandkids probably do need to worry. AI has already found real-world applications that are finding things that could have potentially killed us and stopped that from happening.